Hi, I'm Marla. Some of you may have noticed that there is another Identities video dated January 1st. Mike and Denzel made that one because Mike thought we couldn't get the product photos off of the camera. So they did a video with Denzel singing another song. Well, while they were making that video, I tried getting the pictures, and guess what? I had no problem getting them. So while they're out there getting a band and rehearsing, I'll just make the regular weekly video. Let's get started. Our first piece is an embroidered towel for a softball player. This hoodie for NCAT has an embroidered logo. I think this combination of colors is especially sharp looking. Here we have a hoodie for Alta Equipment Company. The company name you can see is embroidered on a sleeve. A baseball cap has the logo of J&T Welding. It's a large design for a cap, but it turned out well. We close with a full front print on a performance t-shirt. This was done for the Starved Rock Yacht Club. I'm sorry for the confusion that the two videos this week may have caused. Denzel and Mike act like a couple of kids when they get together, and sometimes they just don't have the patience to do things right. But we've got it straightened out, and I hope next week will go a little more smoothly. Goodbye, and have a good week.